In this video, you will know 10 foods that are low in carbs. Embarking on a low-carb diet involves minimizing your intake of carbohydrates while focusing on proteins and healthy fats. This dietary approach has gained popularity for its potential benefits, such as weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and enhanced energy levels. However, it's crucial to approach it with a balanced perspective, considering individual needs and consulting with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. So, let's dive into this list of 10 low-carb diet foods that will empower you to make informed and delicious choices on your path to a healthier you. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is a low-carb food that is not only delicious, but also packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Here's why salmon is low in carbs. Salmon is low in carbs because it primarily consists of protein and healthy fats. Unlike carbohydrates, protein and fats contribute more significantly to its nutritional composition. This makes salmon a suitable choice for low-carb diets. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is low in carbs. It's a leafy green vegetable that is rich in various nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spinach is often recommended for low-carb diets due to its minimal carbohydrate content. Additionally, the carbs present in spinach are primarily in the form of fiber, which is not fully absorbed by the body. The overall carbohydrate content in spinach is relatively low, making it a suitable choice for those following low-carb diets. Number 3. Broccoli. It is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The majority of the carbohydrates in broccoli come from fiber, which has minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes broccoli a favorable choice for those aiming to reduce their carb intake. Broccoli is low in carbs primarily because it contains a significant amount of fiber and water, which contribute to its overall mass. The carbohydrates present in broccoli are mostly in the form of fiber, which the body doesn't fully digest. The fiber content, combined with the water content, results in a low net carb content, making broccoli suitable for low-carb diets. Number 4. Zucchini. With a high water content, zucchini is low in carbs and can be used in various dishes as a low-carb alternative. Zucchini is low in carbs primarily because it has a high water content and is a good source of dietary fiber. The majority of its carbohydrate content comes from fiber, which is not fully absorbed by the body during digestion. Additionally, the water content contributes to its overall mass without adding significant carbohydrates, making zucchini a low-carb vegetable and a popular choice for those following low-carb diets. Number 5. Avocado. While avocados contain carbs, they are also high in healthy fats and fiber, making them a nutrient-dense low-carb option. Avocado is low in carbs due to its composition. While it contains carbohydrates, the majority are dietary fiber. In a typical serving of avocado, the fiber content is relatively high, contributing to the overall carb count. Moreover, avocados are rich in healthy fats, which don't significantly impact blood sugar levels. The combination of fiber and healthy fats makes avocados a nutrient-dense low-carb food that fits well into various low-carbohydrate eating plans. Number 6. Cucumbers. Cucumber. Extremely low in carbs and high in water, cucumbers are a hydrating, low-calorie vegetable. Cucumbers are low in carbs primarily because they are composed mostly of water. The carbohydrate content in cucumbers is minimal, and a significant portion of it comes from dietary fiber. The high water content contributes to the cucumber's overall mass without adding substantial carbs. As a result, cucumbers are a hydrating and low-calorie vegetable, making them a suitable choice for those looking to minimize their carbohydrate intake. Number 7. Bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are relatively low in carbs and provide essential vitamins. Bell peppers are relatively low in carbs because a significant portion of their composition consists of water and dietary fiber. The water content helps dilute the overall carbohydrate concentration, and the fiber present in bell peppers is not fully absorbed by the body during digestion. The result is a vegetable with a low net carb content, making bell peppers a nutritious and flavorful option for those on a low-carb diet. Number 8. Mushrooms. Low in carbs and calories, mushrooms are a good source of nutrients and can add flavor to dishes. Mushrooms are low in carbs primarily due to their composition. They are rich in water, which makes up a significant portion of their mass. Additionally, The carbohydrates in mushrooms are largely in the form of fiber, which is not fully absorbed by the body during digestion. This combination of water and fiber contributes to a low net carb content in mushrooms, making them a suitable choice for those following low-carb diets. Number 9. Asparagus. With minimal carbs, asparagus is a nutritious vegetable rich in vitamins and minerals. Asparagus is low in carbs, mainly because it contains a minimal amount of digestible carbohydrates. It is rich in fiber, which contributes to its overall carb content. The fiber in asparagus is not fully absorbed during digestion, resulting in a lower net carb count. Additionally, asparagus has a high water content, further diluting its carbohydrate concentration. This combination of fiber and water makes asparagus a low-carb vegetable, suitable for those aiming to reduce their carbohydrate intake. Finally, number 10. Tomatoes. While tomatoes contain some carbs, they are also a good source of vitamins and antioxidants. Tomatoes are low in carbs because they contain a relatively small amount of sugars and carbohydrates. They are a good source of fiber, which can help offset their carbohydrate content. Additionally, tomatoes have a high water content, contributing to their overall low-carb profile. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can manage your carb intake, support weight loss, stabilize blood sugar levels, and promote overall well-being. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Stay tuned for our next video.